Hi, good day everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poster on your social media using Canva. So let's get started. Again, we're using Canva for the whole process of this presentation. So let's open our Canva. So we type here Canva, and then if you don't have a Canva account yet, then I'll recommend that you watch my first video on how to create your free account in Canva. Okay, so for most of the social media posts, it is highly recommended to use Instagram post format or poster format because it fits to almost all social media posts. Instead of creating different format for all your social media posts, we will just make Instagram poster. It also fits to you can use also that Instagram poster to your to your FB FB post, and also to your Twitter. Okay, so let's click this button, this create a design button on the upper top right corner, and type in Instagram post. Instagram post. Okay, so just click this one because the size of this poster is universal to almost all social media post or poster. Okay, so also for this presentation, uh, we're going to create a social media poster for the coffee shop products and services. This is based on our previous video tutorials on how to create a business logo using Canva. So we already have a logo. So actually we can use here the predefined templates as what we did in our last video tutorials. But this time we will not use any templates, but instead we will start with the blank page. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, although we will use some of the elements here, okay, instead of just the whole templates, we use elements, and then we will use some uploads and post photos, text, and styles, so we can make our a nice poster for the coffee shop products and services. Okay, so from this first page, so let's start with the background. So as for the background, so let's see the photos, okay, of or I think elements. It's also okay. So just type in the coffee, maybe coffee beans or coffee for the background. And then let's find some of the useful and beautiful background that may fit to our requirements for this post. So let's say the title of the post or the poster is the health benefits of brewed coffee. So that's the title of the post or the topic. So I think this one is good, so let's use this one. Okay, so let's just it automatically fits to our canvas. Okay, so just drag from here, from the photos here. So since this is free, so we can use it immediately here. Then so this is our background. So next, let's add more design. Okay, so for the design, I choose to use elements here. I think we use photos to add more graphics and pictures here. Okay, and then maybe 2 pictures, so to make it good, make it good looking. So maybe let's make it with the same size. Okay, and let's have the frame for this. So actually we can use different frames like this one. Okay, so you can drag it, or so let's this one and send it backward. Okay, and then just fit the frame, so it may look like photo frame, so like this one. And then let's group this and also this one, so just make it 2. Okay, and then let's attach some photos. Okay, maybe a coffee photo. Let's say let's have a nice picture for the coffee, so that complements to our purpose. Let's say this one is nice, and also this one, to show that this is a very nice brewed coffee. Okay, so let's just adjust the frame, so to make it more, it fits better to our let's ungroup this one, so to adjust the photo frame like this one. Okay, and then again let's group this so we can adjust easily. Okay, so let's make it background for this, or maybe we should make it in front, then make it or it here, then we adjust its position. Let's okay, and then maybe it's better to adjust its size, so it may not cover all the most of the space here in our poster. Okay, so I think it's good enough. So then let's have some text here, so the title, but part of the poster is since this is a business poster, so it's better to it is a must to upload, or to put here your the business logo. So this is already done with our previous video tutorial, so I just use this one here. So if you want to see how to create this logo, you can watch my previous video how I create this logo. Okay, so I think that's enough for the size. Okay, so let us adjust, so to make it more, to have some additional space for this. Okay, so next is the also uh, the website of the company's website. So let's put here the company's website, sarutobi.com. So that's the website of the coffee shop. And then let's change it to make it not white, so it may not be uh, capture all uh, the elements of this poster. So next, and let's create the title here. So for the title, so I think just use maybe this one. Okay, so let's type here health benefits, health benefits. Okay, so let's put it here and like this one, and then let's have the subheading of, okay, and then we'll make it again make it white. Also this one should be white, so the you may easily see this the text. Okay, so for the brewed coffee, I think this one is better, no? Brewed, then coffee. So let's adjust the font size so it may fit to the, or this one. That's it. And brewed coffee. So let's adjust the size, and also this one, its size. Okay, so I think that's enough for the size, and then let's adjust all. Brewed coffee. Okay, so you can also put some again another background for the text to highlight the text. So I'll adjust this backward again, send it backward, then right, so it's done, but the brewed must be adjusted to its color like this. So brewed coffee, right? And also this one must be you can change this to, I think, other color, maybe we change its color to, so let's use this. Oops, sorry. Just change its color to maybe reddish color. That's it. Okay, maybe that's enough. And this one may be better to use white color, or I think it's more, okay, so maybe that's enough. right? Or maybe we can use another coffee. I think this one is better than what we use here. Maybe I change this one or this one by this one. So let's good. And then coffee. I think this is better than what we chose a while ago. Okay, so then like this. Okay, this is better than what we used a while ago. Okay, then next, let's try this one. Yes, so that's better now. Okay, so after we align this, maybe this one, it might be better to use maybe like this type or like this. That one. So I think it's better. Alright, so next we add more elements. Here, maybe we adjust this one like that one. Okay, and then we add more elements for here, coffee, brewed coffee. So let's see some elements. I think this one is good because this is the traditional coffee maker. So to make it appealing, more appealing to the eyes of the, and this one. Okay, so just make it more proportional, and then this one you can flip this, its position on the other side, and then just adjust. Okay, so but the color of this is I think we should adjust the color. Maybe instead of white, I think it's better to use maybe a darker or not as not so colorful, but it's more maybe discrete on the whole contents or for the whole elements of this poster. Okay, so maybe just adjust. Okay, and then let's we can change the font size of this. You can use this font size, or how about this one? No, so maybe this one is more decent to use because we're talking about health benefits. Okay, so it is more but if it not if this if the text is not good for you, you can also change the text. Okay, so just adjust, let us just adjust, and we can also adjust the line spacing, so it may improve. Okay, so health benefits of, and also this one we can adjust the space, a little bit okay. And also I think we can use uh, how about, okay, so maybe the effects, so let us adjust the effects for this one. So that's it. And how about this one? So let's just adjust the effects, and then okay, so maybe that's better, no? Okay, also we can add more elements like this one maybe, so to make it oops, sorry, just to fill the gap between this and add more elements. Okay, so I think that's enough. So if you can play with the other elements, or you can also use some photos just to add more elements here. So it may give you the more appealing looks. So just do it, you know. And also I think I may add some figures here in background for my, so just to highlight a little bit my logo. So I think I make it white, so that's it. So because of this I may change the size, so it may not consume or consume the some space of this poster. Okay, so I think that's enough. Okay, so also we can add the other social media icons, maybe let's say Facebook, so that may add more elements. Okay, let's say here, and then we make it white, just like this one. When we put this here and we add more elements, let's say Instagram. Okay, maybe this one is better. So let's put it here. Then we'll adjust all of them maybe later. And then Twitter account, Twitter icon, sorry. So to make it uniform, we use almost the same style. And what else? So Instagram, how about LinkedIn? Okay, you can add more actually if you want. Okay, so let's fit all of these social media icon. So like this one, let's fit this here. Okay, like this. and also this one, let's fit it here, and then also this one. Okay, and then just adjust the adjust the space between them, and let's group them so we can adjust it easily if we want. Let's say okay, make it smaller, and maybe it's you have to change the position here. Maybe we adjust it like this one. Okay, so like this. So let's see if that's enough. Okay, I think this is enough. It's good to see, you know. We can, but it's too far away from each other. So let's adjust again a little bit. Okay, so it may not overpower the color of some of the elements. How about this one? Maybe it's too much, it's too big, you know, for the website. And then we just adjust the lines, the letter spacing to make it more decent, to give it a decent look. Okay, so I think that's it. So we have our first poster, social media poster. Okay, so maybe this one is too much for this one. Okay, so next. Okay, so I think that's enough. Okay, or we may adjust this one. Okay, so you can now create your own social media poster or post for your social media accounts, pages, so you may use it on your campaign. Okay, so, and last, we download, as what we did on our previous tutorials. We download this file as a JPEG or as a PNG. Okay, so since we only have one page here, so you don't have to choose the page number, so you just download. And after you download the file, then you may post it on your social media page as your poster. So this is the final this is the result. Okay, so again, that's all for today's video, and again, thank you very much for watching.